You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wong. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded mixed on Wednesday, falling to the euro, which strengthened on positive commentaries from the European Central Bank, but rising versus sterling, which fell because of the growth fear. The yen strengthened after better than expected trade data. The dollar ended the day at 1.2157 to the euro and 78.15 to the yen. Durables goods order June's headlines to the economy's calendar. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Wednesday following commentaries from the European Central Bank Council's member Iwas Novotny, who was suggested making the European Union's bailout funds a bank so it could borrow more money and support bailouts of Spain and Italy. The euro ended the day at 95.01 to the yen and 0.7843 to the pound. Data out today on Thursday include consumer confidence in August, which is expected to rise a basis point. British pound. The pound fell off quite sharply on Wednesday following the release of lower than expected growth figures. UK second quarter gross domestic price showed a negative 0.7% drop when only a fall to negative 0.2% has been expected. The pound ended the day at 1.5498 to the dollar and 121.11 to the yen. Japanese yen. The yen rose after its own data compared favorable with the other country. In the UK, poor gross domestic price weighed on the sterling, and in the US, poor housing data contradicted arguments for the bottom being reached in the housing market. The yen ended the day at 78.15 to the dollar and 95.01 to the euro. Thursday see the release of consumer price index and retail sales data. And now the section you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex for You in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If a pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.21 with 1.218 and 1.2215 as next targets. The downside breaks out of 1.21, which will open the way to 1.2035 and 1.2. If we trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions at 1.554 with 1.5445 and 1.541 as targets. The upside penetrations of 1.555, which will call for rebounds toward 1.5595 and 1.563. If a pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions at 78.35 with 77.9 and 77.75 inside. The upside penetrations are 78.45, which will call for 78.65 and 78.8. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a good day.